Here's how to scan a QR code on your iPhone. Now, if you either have a QR code in front of you and you wanted to use the camera to scan it, or you have a website or anywhere else, maybe an email or text message with a QR code, I'll show you how to scan that as well. The first thing we need to do if there's a QR code in front of you is to tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. From here, tap on Search at the bottom and just type in Camera, and then tap on Camera at the top. We need to enable this setting in the camera to read those QR codes. So scroll down and you can see Scan QR codes. All you need to do is toggle this on, and I'll show you how this works. So I'm going to swipe down and open up my camera. And I have a little QR code here associated with this. You can see as soon as I put it in front of the camera, it at the bottom pops up with this screen, and you can see the yellow outline around the QR code indicating it has read it. So I can tap on that, and I don't know why it brought me here, but it worked. It did open up Safari. It usually opens up a menu at a restaurant or something like that. Now, let's say instead of that, you just have it in a text message or an email. The easiest way to scan it is to press the volume up and power button quickly to take a screenshot. So I'm going to take a screenshot. And just like that, I'm going to tap on the check mark at the top right and hit Save to Photos. So just save that screenshot to your photos, and then open up the Photos app, and then open up that screenshot you just took. After you've done that, you'll be able to see here is my QR code. All I need to do is press and hold on it, and it will give me the option to open in Safari. Just tap on that. And again, it will just open up with whatever that QR code leads to. In this case, it leads to Wikipedia. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that. And thanks for watching.